Hello, welcome to the repair shop.
Hi, I need your help, please.
What is the problem with your laptop?
It won't turn on at all.
Let me check the battery first.
Okay, thank you for checking it.
I'm sorry, but your battery is dead.
Oh no, that's bad news.
Do you want me to replace it?
How much will it cost me?
It will cost you $50.
That's too expensive for me.
Well, you can try other options.
Like what? Please tell me more.
You can try to use an external battery pack.
How does that work exactly?
You just plug it into your laptop's port.
And then it will turn on?
Yes, it will give you some power.
But not for long, right?
No, not for long. Maybe a few hours.
That sounds like a temporary solution. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
I'm here to pick up my car.
What is your name and number?
David Johnson, 555-1234.
Let me check the system for you.
Sure, thank you for checking it.
I'm sorry, sir, but your car is not ready yet.
What? You said it would be ready today.
We encountered some unexpected problems with your car.
Like what? What kind of problems?
Your engine had a major leak and your brakes were worn out.
That's ridiculous. How did that happen?
I don't know, sir. Maybe it was due to wear and tear.
Well, how long will it take to fix it?
It will take at least another week, sir.
That's unacceptable. I want a discount or a refund.
Hello, this is the repair shop.
Hi, this is Mary Jones.
How can I help you, Mary?
I'm calling about my phone repair.
What is your phone number, please?
It's 555-4321.
Okay, let me check the status.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I'm sorry, Mary, but your phone is not ready yet.
What? It's been a week already.
I know, I apologize for the delay.
What is taking so long?
We are still waiting for a part to arrive.
What part? Why is it not here?
It's the screen. It's out of stock.
That's unacceptable. I want a compensation.
Hi, welcome to the bike shop.
Hello, I need a tune-up.
Sure, let me see your bike.
Here it is. It's old.
I can tell. It needs work.
How much work? And how much money?
Well, you need to change the tires, the brakes, and the chain.
All of them? That sounds expensive.
It is. It will cost you $200.
$200? That's too much for me.
I'm sorry, but that's the price.
Can you give me a discount?
I can give you 10% off.
That's still not enough.
Well, you can try another shop.
Maybe I will. Thank you anyway.
Hello, welcome to the repair shop.
Hi, I have a problem with my printer.
What is the problem exactly?
It is not printing properly.
Can you show me an example?
Sure, here is a printout.
I see. The colors are faded.
Yes, and the text is blurry.
Let me run some tests on your printer.
Okay, thank you for doing that.
Well, I have good news and bad news.
What is the good news?
The good news is that your printer is fine.
And the bad news?
The bad news is that your ink cartridges are low.
Oh, I see. What can I do?
You can buy new cartridges or refill the old ones.
Hi, welcome to the watch shop.
Hello, I need your help, please.
What can I do for you?
I have a broken watch here.
Let me see it. How did it break?
I dropped it on the floor.
I see. That's unfortunate.
Can you fix it for me?
I'm sorry, but this watch is beyond repair.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm afraid so. The mechanism is damaged.
That's terrible. This watch was a gift.
I'm sorry to hear that. It's a nice watch.
Is there anything you can do?
Well, the only thing I can suggest is that you buy a new one.
Do you have any similar ones?
Yes, we have some similar ones in stock.
Can you show me some examples?
Of course. Follow me to the display case.
Thank you. I hope I find one I like.
Hello, welcome to the camera shop.
Hi, I have a damaged camera.
What happened to your camera?
I dropped it in the water.
Oh, that's not good.
Can you fix it for me?
Let me take a look at it.
Okay, thank you for doing that.
I'm sorry, but your camera is water damaged.
What does that mean exactly?
It means that the water has corroded the internal parts of your camera.
Is there any way to repair it?
I'm afraid not. The damage is too severe.
That's awful. This camera was expensive.
I'm sorry to hear that. It's a nice camera.
Is there anything you can do?
You can buy a new camera or look for another place.
How much is a new camera?
It depends on the model and the features.
Hi, welcome to the tablet shop.
Hello, I have a cracked tablet.
How did you crack your tablet?
I dropped it on the floor.
That's unfortunate. Can I see it?
Sure, here it is. It's bad.
I see. The screen is shattered.
Yes, and the touch is not working.
Let me check the tablet for you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Well, the good news is that the tablet is still functional.
Really? That's a relief.
The bad news is that the screen needs to be replaced.
How much will that cost me?
It will cost you $100.
That's reasonable.
Hello, this is the TV shop.
Hi, I have a question for you.
What can I do for you?
I want to fix my TV.
What is wrong with your TV?
It has no sound at all.
How old is your TV?
It's an old model. 10 years.
I see. That's a long time.
Yes, it is. Can you fix it?
I'm not sure. It depends on the problem.
How much will it cost me?
It will cost you at least $100.
That's too expensive for me.
Well, maybe you should buy a new TV.
Do you have any good deals?
Yes, we have some great deals on new TVs.
What kind of TVs do you have?
We have smart TVs, LED TVs, OLED TVs, and more.
Hi, welcome to the headphone shop.
Hello, I have a faulty headphone.
What is the problem with your headphone?
It has a loose wire inside.
How do you know that?
I can hear some crackling noises.
I see. Can I test your headphone?
Sure, here it is. Be careful.
Thank you. I'll plug it in.
Okay, thank you for doing that.
You're right. There is a loose wire.
Can you fix it for me?
Yes, I can. It's an easy fix.
How long will it take?
It will take only a few minutes.
That's great. How much will it cost?
It will cost you only $10.
That's very reasonable. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait here.
Okay, I'll wait. I'm excited.